Yes guys, it's Environment here again with another video. And this week, we'll be talking about 5 lies that guys tell. Let's go. Alright guys, so first of all, I did a video similar to this where I talked about 5 lies that girls tell. If you're interested in seeing that video, just check it out right here. And one final thing that I must make clear, what I'm about to say are simply general things. They don't apply to everyone, so do not take them personal. Nonetheless, there is some truth in it. So, number 1, I swear to you, I'm not like other guys. So ladies, how many times have you ever heard that line? I am not like other guys. Of course, we're not all the same, because if we were all the same, then it wouldn't make any sense. We'd all be clones and replicas, which just has no sense. Even my English makes no sense. So a lot of guys tend to use this line, and I've heard it from friends and even just random strangers where I'm at a place and I hear them pop this line on a girl and she thinks that this guy will be different from the others out there, and that's not always true. However, I use this line too, but as I said at the beginning, this doesn't apply to everyone and it's general, because I usually tell girls, yo mama, I'm not like every other guy, which is generally true in my defense, and it's also true for maybe a lot of other guys too. Number 2, I love sports. Okay ladies, so that is the farthest thing from the truth when a lot of guys say it. However, there is some sort of technicality and some sort of technical truth to it. So let me explain. So a lot of guys, when they say that they love sports, they are not saying that they necessarily work out or that they're an avid athlete. No, what they actually mean is that they like to watch football, it's usually football, or they like to watch matches, or we may even play video games. So ladies, if you're looking for a stud, one who is all bad, all man, and utterly sexy, actually ask him how many times per week he practices this sport or a sport in general, and then you'll probably see the truth behind it. So, number 3, it's not about sex. Okay, so if you're a lady and you've been in the dating game for a while, it means that you would have perhaps heard that line before. And ladies, it is not true. For some, that is their only objective. Number 4, like, we totally don't have to do what you don't want. If you don't want to do it, it's fine. I'm not going to pressure you. Alright, so ladies, if you've heard a guy say that, sometimes it's true, but a lot of times it's not true. And I'm saying this again based on my experience through my many friends. And I went to an all-boys school, so I would have heard people saying these things. And I've seen this play out so many times where a guy says that line, and then he says something like, okay, so we won't have sex because I respect you, so give me a kiss. And she's like, nah. And he's like seriously, why are you being so stupid? Or he might use another line that in turn makes the girl feels as if she is being ridiculous, or what he's saying is simple. And I've seen a lot of girls giving into these guys, and then they're like, oh my god, all guys are like dogs. Number 5, honestly, I've never felt this way with anyone before. You're the first. Alright ladies, the minute he's going to say that you're the first, or he's going to say the first anything, run. Can I hear that background music please?
Run.
Alright, so ladies, a lot of guys tend to play on your emotions by saying you're the first one to make me feel like this, you're the first one to do that, you're the first girl I've cried for, you're the first girl I felt so strongly for. And what you find is that a lot of girls hear this and they are emotionally bought, like, oh my god, I'm so special, I'm the only one to make Roman feel like that, like, oh my god. Please don't do that, because that's also a sort of emotional manipulation. So ladies, please be aware. And one last advice to you ladies out there, because why not give an advice from a guy's perspective? Not all guys are the same, and a lot of times we fall for these tricks. Well, not we, but you ladies fall for these tricks because you are in part attracted to the guy, and as such your judgment is clouded. Yeah, that's the word. And I'll give you a simple example. What separates an attractive guy who stares at you like from across the room and looks at you and maybe even talks to you or tries to get your attention even though you're ignoring him, versus a guy who is not so attractive and he is doing the same? I'll tell you what the difference is. In situation A, you'd be like, oh damn, that guy is cute, but I'm not interested. While in situation B, you'll probably be like, oh my god, you're such a creep. So you see, a lot of times we fall for these tricks, or you fall for these tricks, because we are in. Why do I keep saying we? Because you, in part, are attracted to the guy, and so it dulls your judgment. Alright, ladies, gals, boys, lads, and everyone, these are the 5 main lies in my estimation that a lot of guys tend to tell. Anyways, if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments down below, or even maybe an advice. So with that said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share my video with at least one friend, and I'll see you guys next week. Ciao, ciao. Number 2, I love sports. Okay, later. No, no.